In this video, I'll be installing two wireless interconnected smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. In the event that one of the detectors goes off, the other one will also go off, even though they're not hardwired together. I picked these up at Lowe's for $70 each, which is pretty expensive, but it is still a lot cheaper than having to run electrical cables through the house so that these are hardwired together. Obviously, my house was built before that was a code requirement. So as mentioned, it does smoke and carbon monoxide. They are interconnected, and you could connect more than two together. They come with a 7-year warranty and two AA batteries. So inside the box, you get drywall plugs and screws, a fairly substantial amount of instructions, a pair of Duracell batteries, and then you get the combination smoke carbon monoxide detector and a mounting back plate so you can mount it to your ceiling. So the battery holder just pulls straight out, and then obviously the positive side of the battery goes to the positive side indicated on the door. Close it up and do a quick test of the smoke alarm before you put your battery door lock in place. So the battery door locks are these little things on the back of your smoke detectors. You'll need a pair of pliers or a little knife or something to cut it out of there. Once removed, you just install it into a small hole on the back of the smoke alarm that holds the door in place. Now before you lock the other one, you need to put the batteries in, don't close the door, and hold down the test button. Once it's in, you'll hear it chirp. Then you'll see green flashing lights in the smoke indicator on both smoke alarms, indicating that they are communicating with each other. And both smoke alarms should start making noise. Now you can see there was apparently a smoke alarm in my house on the main floor before, but there isn't now. So I'm going to use one of the drywall plugs. So I'll put one of my screws into that drywall plug and put the mounting plate on the ceiling, and then just tighten that single screw up. Unfortunately, the smoke detector that was here before was a different size, and I'm going to have to drill one hole and insert one plug so that I could secure the other side of the mounting plate to the ceiling. So just quickly drill a hole with the 3/16 inch size drill bit that is indicated in the instructions. Insert the drywall plug, and then screw in the other side until it's nice and tight against the ceiling. Now that the base plate's tightly secured, I'll just put the smoke carbon monoxide alarm in, just like that. Now I'm not going to show you installing the battery door clip or the base plate on the second one, however I'll show you the test. So push the test button, that alarm starts ringing, run out of my dungeon, and you can hear that this alarm is now going off. Anyway, pretty easy and a cheap way to interconnect your alarms. Thanks for checking out my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.